In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify theme to GitHub. By the end, you'll have your theme connected to a GitHub repository so you can track changes, collaborate safely, and roll back if needed, all without uploading files manually. Start on your Shopify admin home. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store. This is where your themes live and where you'll manage the connection. Inside Online Store, go to Themes. You'll see your current live theme at the top and a theme library below it. The library is where Shopify stores themes that aren't published yet, including any you connect from GitHub. It's a safe space to work without disrupting your live storefront. To begin the connection, click Import Theme. This opens a panel that includes multiple ways to add a theme. You'll usually see the option to upload a zip file, but since we're setting up a code workflow, choose Connect from GitHub. This is the built-in integration that keeps your theme code in sync with a GitHub repository. When you select Connect from GitHub, Shopify will prompt you to sign into your GitHub account and authorize access. Grant permission so Shopify can read the repository that holds your theme files. If you're part of an organization, make sure you have the right repository access before proceeding. After authorization, Shopify will display your repositories. Pick the one that contains your Shopify theme, then choose the branch you want to sync. Most stores use main or a dedicated theme branch. Confirm the selection to complete the connection. A few tips as you finish up. Make sure your repository is structured like a Shopify theme, with folders such as layout, templates, sections, snippets, and assets. Once connected, Shopify creates a theme entry in your theme library. Any commits you push to the selected branch will sync to this theme, and edits you make in the Shopify code editor will create corresponding commits back in GitHub. It's a good practice to work on branches and open pull requests for review before merging, so your theme history stays clean and auditable. That's it. You started from the Shopify home, opened Online Store, went into Themes, chose Import Theme, and connected from GitHub by signing in and authorizing your repository. You now have a reliable, version-controlled workflow for your Shopify theme.